Locksmith Kippa Ring. At Auto Tech Locksmiths, we are a trusted locksmith service for Kippa Ring residents and businesses. We offer a wide range of solutions, including automotive, commercial, and residential locksmith services. These services include key cutting, lost key assistance, rekeying, lock repairs, safe locksmithing, and lockout services. Our Kippa Ring locksmiths follow the latest safety standards, provide prompt service, and are available 24/7. Our mobile locksmith service ensures fast and reliable key cutting using quality materials and advanced techniques to ensure durability. If you've lost your house keys, our team can come to you and provide a replacement on the spot. For automotive services, if you've lost your car keys or locked yourself out, we offer 24-hour lockout assistance. If you've lost your transponder keys, our mobile team can program and provide a new remote key for you. So, what are you waiting? Get in touch with us today.